Now, berry juice. There are two ways of making berry juice, which in Russia we call mors. You can heat it, bring it to the boil, blend and sieve, or you can use a nice water and don't boil it, so all the vitamins, all the taste will stay inside. Which is why I suggest to you not to boil your mors, but just to blend it and sieve. The taste will be all the same, but it takes a little bit longer to push it through the chinois, through a sieve. So it's super simple. You take a mix of berries. I have lingonberries, strawberries, cranberries, but you can use any berries you want. But keep in mind that some of them are more sweet, some of them are more sour, so you need to adjust your sugar. Okay, so you just put it in a blender. You put sugar, and once again, adjust your sugar depending on which berries you have. And water. After a few minutes, your mors is ready. All you need is just to sieve it. And of course, you can help you with your ladle, just like this. You can keep it in the fridge for like 3-4 days, no problem. And of course, you may ask me a question why we made this weird drink. Really easy. Everything goes well with vodka in Russia. So, shot of vodka. And your berry juice. You can have it as a breakfast or as dinner.